magandang buhay at mayamang pamumuhay sa ating lahat. I have exemplified in many other videos that I already have na una, ang power ng positive thinking, pangalawa, ang mastery sa sarili mo, at pag-improve ng mga skills na meron ka. Pangatlo, ang pag-recognize ng mga milagro mo sa buhay. Pang-apat, na ma-overcome mo ang mga demonyo or devils in your life. Ang ito po ay the minute salesperson. The 1 minute, isang minuto lang. Alam niyo po ba, sa lahat ng relasyon, relationship with a boyfriend, with the opposite sex, with your spouse, children, parents, sibling, best friend, any kind of relationship, you would always, number one, sell yourself. You sell yourself to be accepted by them, right? You sell yourself when you go to get an employment. You sell yourself to be in the group. Gusto mo ng mga barkada. So, ano ba? Parang employment yan eh. In any kind of selling, dapat makapture mo in 1 minute, meaning 60 counts or 60 seconds, ang iyong pinagbebentahan. For instance, gusto kong pagpasok ko ng bangko, ako ay ma-serve agad. Therefore, I would sell out myself so that the people who would see me will immediately have a good impression of me. Imaginin mo kung papasok ka kahit ilang milyon ang dala mo pero ikay nakabuta, ang baho ng kilikili mo and everything. You cannot sell out, di ba? So not unless you're really crazy and you're going to experiment whether or not, even if you have billions of pesos and dollars, you will be accepted. So you go to the norms. Ano bang norms? Alright. That 1 minute period is very critical for you to be able to be accepted. Diba? And the very joy, ang sabi dito sa libro nito, the very joy of selling is when you do not think that you're selling, but the joy that the people who will be the end users or who you will be dealing with will gain from that engagement. Halimbawa, gusto kitang maging kaibigan. Alright? Of course, at the end of the day, ano bang gusto ko sa'yo? Pero actually, hindi dapat ganyan. Diba? Kasi napaka-abrasive or napaka na instinct ng tao yan eh, na feel nila na nakikipagkaibigan ka dahil you want to take advantage of that friendship. Naaamoy yan eh. Imagine mo ilang araw pa lang, kunyari, you should always be skeptical of the people entering your life na for no apparent reason, hindi mo naman talaga kilala, nakilala mo lang sa and then suddenly they want to become close to you. So, maging skeptical ka kasi marami pong manggagamit lang talaga yung sinabi ko doon sa aking isang treasure na you need to hold in your life, the treasure of true friendship. So, what is it? Within that 1 minute period, ensure that you will be able to sell out whatever you want to sell. Be it an item, a car, a land, if you are in real estate selling, tanungin mo munang tao anong gusto niya. Hindi ganito. Mali yan eh. Meron kaming ma'am, ito bagong car model namin, bla 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 bla. Ito po ay 2.3 bla bla bla. Do not say that. So, kung halimbawa walk-in, lalo na kung yung mga mayayaman, mga walk-in yan eh. They would pay in cash usually. So, ang unang tatanungin mo, ano ang gusto niyang kunin? 'Di ba? So, there might be people who would just buy things because that's for practical reasons that they would use. They would also buy na pwede lang pangyabang. So, but at the end of the day, unahin mo muna ano ba ang purpose ng pagpunta dyan at pagbili niyan. Para sa ano? Their interest first before yours. I have that one experience in one car dealer. Tinanong ko, sabi ko, I will buy the car cash. Magkano ang discount ko? And he said, ay naku ma'am, hindi po yan kasi yung commission nga namin, ganyan. Naku. Oo, alam nyo, lumipat ako, hindi ako, and I talked directly to the manager and I said, can I talk directly to your manager? And I said, you should teach your salesperson not to do that. So, 'di ba? Kung wala ka sa authority mo to give a discount, hindi nga ako nag-ano ng ilang percentage. I just say, ano ang pinaka-maximum na discount na pwede mong ibigay sa akin? So, she said it's 5,000. I said, can I get more? Because I'm going to pay immediately and in cash. Alright? Wala. Kung ano-anong mga sinabi tungkol sa commission niya. And that's very, very bad. That holds true in your employment. When you want to sell out, that among the 100 employees or applicants vying for that position or in-house for promotion, 5 kayo. How would you sell out in that 1-minute pitch? Bakit ikaw ang kukunin over all the others who are vying for that one single position? Ganun lang po on how to succeed. You prepare your pitch and then you know what are the advantages that you have over all those other persons around you. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and following. Sana naman mag-comment kayo at mag-thumbs up. Amen.